All right. So today we're going to test something here. I bought this Lanshan Nighthawk wet fuel cooker. What I tend to do is I watch, in my evenings when I like to relax, I watch a lot of YouTube, and then I see things. I go on Amazon or Temu, God forbid, and I buy shit. Now I saw on one of the channels that I really love to watch, I saw them using this wet fuel burner. I'd never seen it before, and then I had a look, and there's the brands like MSR, and they're pretty bloody dear. I found this one, so I thought, well, it's a slightly different model. The other ones normally just have like the bottle, and then they have the hose coming out of the bottle and into a cooker themselves. This is all one contained unit. Now, I've never used it, I've never tried it. I had to get a full set of instructions for it because I couldn't find the instructions in this one. You can use the different fuels in it. It says petrol, diesel, shellite, and isopropyl alcohol, which there's a separate jet for. There's a little jet in here. It's a smaller hole, is it, or a larger hole? I think it's a larger hole. And it comes with a little filling cup and a little tool to adjust it. So I'm going to try and make my coffee this morning on it. If you can do that at least, then we're good. I'm a little concerned. I mean, you know, it looks, I'm sure it's fine, right? All right, we're going to find out. Inside here is not whiskey or anything. There was, but it disappeared. This is some IPA, so isopropyl alcohol to prime it. You put it in there apparently, and you set it alight and warm it up. Now, I was thinking I could do a comparison between like alcohol and, you know, shellite, but can't be bothered. I probably should measure this out, but I won't fill it up too much. Now, the reason I decided to go with shellite is I figured if I set it up for shellite and fuel, ultimately when I'm out adventuring, I will have the container of shellite. But it's easy to then switch over to, if you run out of shellite, you can just essentially put fuel in it, which, you know, will be handy out in the field. This burns cleaner. Fuel needs more maintenance, but that's what we got. Let's make sure that is off. So, place stove on ground. Close enough. Ensure all fittings are tight. Check no fuel leaks. Well, it doesn't physically leak out. We'll see what happens under pressure. Pump 10 to 15 strokes only. Do not over pressurize. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't really want to. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, that's 15. No leaks. Valve is shut off. Pour small amount of IPA into the priming cup, the center ring under the burner. Light it, let it burn almost completely. Slowly open the fuel valve and watch the flame. Wait 10 to 20 seconds to stabilize. Add a few pump strokes if needed. Normal operation, good flame is blue, steady sound, no sputtering. Use valve to control flame. Medium flame equals best efficiency. Use windshield if possible. We do have a light breeze, but I think we'll be okay. And then it's shut down. Close the valve, let the flame go out, allow stove to cool, release the tank pressure. Okay. What could go wrong? It's not a really easy way to get this in there, is there? Where's that? Okay. Probably could do that. Okay. Oh man. This makes me a bit nervous. I mean, I'm sure it's fine, right? Nothing happened. I opened the valve. All it kind of did was burn my cloth in it. Oh man, this makes me nervous. Alright, let's try again, shall we? Is there anything left to burn here? Not really. Doesn't seem to. Okay, so I probably need to open it a bit more. Alright, try again. Is this too hot? No, it's fine. This time I'm going to put less. I'm still going to put this on. Okay. Looks good. Let's time this. All right. Okay. Maybe just move this stuff out of the way. Not that you should chuck water on anything, but in case I caught on fire. It really does glow. I'll go get a cup. Three minutes plus the minute before, or maybe it wasn't quite a minute, was it? 30 odd seconds. Probably not safe here, my boy. Yeah, it's right to stand back. I think you know, huh? Come on, you go, just in case. Here's the other one. Get me. It's alright. Just seeing how hot the base was getting. It'd get hotter sitting in the sun. Minutes. Maybe I should put a heat shield. Ooh, we got coffee coming out. So really that's not that different to a stove. Takes about the same amount of time on a stove. So it's 6 minutes. Perhaps if I'd put the windbreak up it would have been a bit quicker, but have a look. Black gold. There you are, sweetie. Come here. Come here. This is the other one. A little sweetheart. Ooh. I reckon we're just about done there. Okay. B. Now I remember why I stopped using this thing. Probably if I lift the lid up. Huh. Okay. I'll go see if anybody else wants some coffee.